All right, now we're going to learn how to actually write the function. So if we have a function that's a growth, we have to figure out the b value. The b value is by doing 1 plus the rate. Remember that the b value is supposed to be greater than a 1 whenever it's a growth. That's why we're adding. So we figure out the rate, and we do 1 plus the rate. A, that's the initial amount that you're trying to grow. R is your rate. Remember, it needs to be as a decimal. And then X is the time, but we're not going to worry about that right now. We're just going to leave X as an X. Here's an example. We have a population of 8,220, and it's going to grow 3%. Here's the original amount, or the initial amount, A. Your rate is 3%. We're going to move that decimal 2 places to the left, and we get 0.03. So we go ahead and plug those in. 8220, 1 plus the 0.03, and when you simplify that, you get 1.03. 8220 times 1.03 to the x power. For decay, decay is just the other direction, or it's the opposite sign. Instead of adding, we're going to subtract, because remember that decay is supposed to be a number that is less than 1 but greater than 0, so somewhere in between 0 and 1. So this time it's 1 minus r. So an example, if we had a value, something that was valued at $82,400, and it's going to decay 12.5%, or 12.5%. So our initial amount, 82,400, the A. The rate, 12.5%. Move that decimal 2 places to the left, and that becomes a 0.125. And we go ahead and plug that in. 82,400. The 1 minus 0.125 to the x power, and it simplifies to a 0.875.